What's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 11, season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
I dropped them off at daycare. Who do you watch then?
You, but no daycare. Jax doesn't want him at St. Thomas anymore.
They're gonna be cautious and very well armed.
Okay. We'll talk after it's done.
You handle this with the sheriffs? You bring in feds and local?
That's none of your concern.
I don't know. Still know I tried.
Yeah, you did.
What the fuck is going on? The fuck is Jackson's play here?
She's dead. You're not.
Yeah, but I'm the one that still gotta live with all that shit. Because I never made it right when she was alive.
He was a great dude. He's a great dude.
I can't forgive her, Nero.
I want to say Jim's not gonna hear any of it.
Not now.
She never does.
I lose my defense.
So I have to choose? My boys or my freedom?
There's no guarantee of either.
Jesus.
But essentially, yes, I guess that's true.
Where do I know him from? God damn. Towers put herself in a rough spot here. Jax needs to tell us something.
Gentlemen.
Though I can't blame him for not at the moment.
Lots of trucks are coming and going, so it looked like business as usual. When we get the call on the approach, we enter Fremont at point B, here. We'll have a clear sight line of the traffic, both north, south, wide open. You got it?
Fucking the Fast and Furious all of a sudden. I'm here for it. Let's go! God damn, he's got a hand cannon. Are we not gonna go back and kill those two cocksuckers that watch? Jeez, this guy walk is even more worse,
Given
more
hours,
awful in that fucking jacket.
To you. Why are we pink?
Come on, baby. You love pink.
Been kill two guys that watch Clay and Jumper. Fucking conjugal business. Not now. I get it. We have things to do, priorities, but eventually. I'm just saying.
How do you think this goes down?
40 sheriffs, dozen Irish soldiers, lots of guns. Only one way it can't go down.
Sister be down with the real flow. Sorry, I'm never gonna get over it. Ugh.
Club and family rhetoric. I'm talking about the day-to-day of it, Gemma. Who takes care of them?
I do.
Really? You think you're up to that? There's no path to anything that makes any sense. It's just dirty and sad.
Go ahead, answer.
And we both know it's only gonna get worse. For the same reason I find myself still here. No matter what the upset or damage. Because I love you. I'm in love with you.
Oh my god, it's fucking gross. Hunter, grow up. Just say you're 70 years old, you ain't grow up yet. Jesus fucking Christ. The heart wants what the heart wants. Shut up.
Hey, Juice. You here?
Yeah.
Should they be?
No.
I'm here for Psycho Juice.
It's Connor. They're en route. Transport, only one fallen vehicle. 5 guys.
Good girl.
How bad do the Suns fuck this up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say they don't, but it gets fucked somehow.
Following a transport.
Let's do this. Come on, baby. Let's
I suddenly feel the need for speed.
Shit, they got hit! This shit. It's an ambush. What the hell do we do?
On my advice?
Shut up, asshole. Follow protocol, Jenkins, and drive.
Hold on, Galen.
I hope they don't have gate recognition, otherwise Jack's gonna leave shit that fucking wall. That's a good line.
Pulling all our resources to the other side of town.
Son of a bitch.
Yep.
Don't do anything stupid, son. Of course. Oh shit! Fucking idiot. Like, what did you accomplish? You killed one of them. You fucking idiot.
This is way beyond me, brother.
You okay? Yeah.
Clay, where I grew up upgrade.
You're not going to Tara, are you? It's the only other option.
That cop is gonna keep shooting. Oh, no. Just head to the airstrip.
You did what you could, sir. Poor Juice.
Out of Grandma's room. You can show Mom. Go on. Bobby's been shot. It's bad.
What happened?
I'll tell you on the way over. Come on. We gotta go.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, Tara.
I need to go by my house and pick up my bag.
Hang on. Come here.
Redemption. I mean, you know what I mean.
Before they ran him over, we alerted the hospitals in the area. You want me to round up the MC?
Not yet. I need to reevaluate my options.
All right.
Shit. And now we can use Tara. And now we can use Tara, Skip Bayless.
Today.
Fucking psycho Juice. He's like broken. Something dead on the inside. He didn't do anything. I found the roots and stuff.
Good job, Jackson.
Oh, shit! What?
We had a vote. Decided this had to happen.
What? Holy shit!
Bobby's in the truck.
I mean, smart plan would be to blame it on a bad relationship. Two guys, just in history, get into a beef. One thing leads to another. Couldn't be helped.
Sounds about right.
Clay got set up twice. God damn.
This time it was unanimous.
Fair enough. Let's go.
Fuck. Shit's in talk about tools first. It's really over. Jesus! Oh. Didn't shoot him in the head or the neck or something? I mean, not neck. They shot him in the neck. Head or the chest or something? Somewhere he was just out? There we go. I don't know about doing that in front of Tara at all. Unless she ain't long for this world. Jesus, they killed Clay. They really killed Clay. Jackson's a stone cold animal these days. Considering this is only episode 11 and we got 2 more episodes to go, and Galen's dead, and fucking Clay's now dead, I don't like Tara's chances of making it out in the season. I know you guys say I fucking have killed Tara for 5 seasons straight. I'm just saying, I'm very concerned. She's already tried to divorce you, take your kids. What if she tells somebody?
You okay?
Yeah.
What else to say? It gets worse.
I'll,
Look at the monster you created, lady. Helped create at the very least.
What went down today was us burying the last piece of a very broken past. What you and me are doing together, that's Sam Crow's future.
I'm not gonna let them get my hopes up. I'm not gonna have it.
Connor will be here in a minute, brother.
So how do we sell this?
Jack stopped them, but that's how my hand got crushed. Ruined my career. Claymore should have been dead a long time ago.
Tara's face, like what?
About what?
The Sons of Anarchy. Can you meet me at my office?
No.
Your office, then, at the hospital.
Okay.
I'm on my way.
You okay?
Yeah.
Tara's dead! I don't give a fuck what anybody has to say! Fuck!
Yeah. You, need help unloading the guns?
I appreciate it.
Yeah, sure. Easy, brother. Let me tell you what happened here. Listening to what I'm saying, I am giving you the truth you need. The only story that protects both of us. Any other truth, you look like a failure.
Clay was keeping our gun business alive. You played me, you bastard, didn't you?
If I did, I played you right into the #1 slot. It's up to you whether you want to stay there. It was gonna be you and me lying on the floor if it didn't. They earned that blood. So let's move past it.
Go ahead, Jax. I gotta be honest. I'm saying, you're not killing Jackson out here. That's not happening. So.
And what if they don't believe us? Then what?
Then we swear on a stack of Catholic Bibles.
I'm so happy.
I'll call Belfast in the morning.
Good.
Go ahead, Jax. I love Jax so much. I don't know if I can tolerate him killing Tara, but up to that point, up until killing Tara, there's no wrong he can do in my eyes. He can fucking kill Gemma and Nero right fucking now. I wouldn't blink an eye.
With your testimony, yes. That would put the member at the crime scene. Prove the Sons were responsible.
No, I'm gonna need more time.
How much time?
At least until tomorrow.
You only have one chance at this, Doctor.
Fuck! Fuck!
4 dead bodies and 6 cases of KG9s at a hangar off 104. 2 of the DBs, Clay Morrow and Galen O'Shea.
Looks like it's gonna be a long night for everybody.
Fuck!
It's beautiful, dog.
Just one more little piece and he should be out of the woods.
I'm not concerned about them today. They'll be fine. Still show it out, but Tara. Oh, Tara. You might as well make the call. Or blow your own brains out.
No, he didn't. The deal I made didn't include a stack of dead bodies.
I think that's more than fair. That's a more than fair assessment. Fucking bullish. First of all, good job. Secondly, please don't do this. But you get your freedom and the kids? That's hard to fucking pass up. Alright, that was episode 11 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first. This felt like a finale. This could easily have been a season finale, from the big heist to break out Clay pardon me, to Galen's death, to Clay's death, and Bobby getting shot. This felt like a major event. And we've got 2 more episodes to go in the season. I gotta be completely honest, I don't really want to watch anymore. I am highly concerned. Like, I love Tara, and they're doing a great job of this push and pull with the audience. Is she gonna go back? Is she ready to snitch? Is her and Jax making up? They seem to be finding some mutual ground here. She overheard Jax saying what he's been saying to her, to other people about getting a side of guns, and then she sees Clay get shot, and now she's got this fucking bullet. If Clay was alive, I feel a little better about it, because you could just kill Clay in the finale. But with 2 episodes left, somebody big has got to go, right? We just got the season 5 finale here in fucking 11, where Jax fucking turns the tide around with a fantastic move and fucking kills off a big bad. 2 at that. Yeah, I'm just concerned. I'm not here for this. Oh, I feel sick. Tara's my favorite character. It's not my favorite character. Jack's my favorite character. Tara's the one I root for the most. The one I want to make the most. Where if I could snap my fingers and have her fucking dreams come true, it would be that. And immediately. I don't feel good at all. Jumping getting emotional about Clay was sweet. She's out of her fucking mind. And so was fucking everybody involved, quite frankly. Fuck. I even sat on this fucking review for a little bit, and I feel exactly the same. Like, I really don't want to watch this. But that's why I'm here. I want to man up. I want to man up. In fact, do it right now. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macram. It's time for episode 12, season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. I know I sound down. I'm very concerned. I don't really want to watch this fucking episode. I want Tara to be okay. Clay's already dead. We've got 2 episodes to go. Galen's already dead. There's so much that could happen, and it all revolves around Tara. I'm not here for this. Let's get to it.
A lot of deals, both on and off the IRA table. Now, my guess is whatever deal they had set up went bad.
There's a lot of that going around. You're a very smart man, Mr. Teller. I can see how you've risen to your rank.
Unfortunately, I inherited it.
We all have a destiny.
That's a great line. Oh, Tara, do not fold!
You good?
Yeah.
Ready, boss?
I'm all over it. Like jizz on his mama.
Yeah, my mama's dead, man.
I won't stop him.
Morning.
You get those?
Oh, yeah, sure. God. Hey,
Idiot?
Hot.
thanks.
What is a moron? Oh my god!
Yeah.
That all of them? Everything but the KG9s.
Cool. Thank you, gentlemen.
Oh shit!
Starting a war drains both sides.
I am not starting it. I am joining it. So, Fadia. Wait.
Why would you say Connor? I'm not lying.
Check it, Fiasco, because I feel like I'm drowning here. You see that?
We're all drowning here. Ever since you met the Sons. Look, I know we need alliances, but this club ain't been nothing but problems. Crew feels the same. Truth is, you step off, homies, we are most definitely dead. Marcos Alvarez. He reached out, wants to talk to you.
Let's go!
Thinks it can help us. You don't at least sit down with him. Crew reads that like you don't give a shit. Then it's over, eh? I can't hold them together.
How about it? At least have talk.
I got some half-bright crow eaters reeking of cum and Tig's aftershave. And I got the junkie mom.
Wow. I feel special.
You should.
But you bought it back. And you paid the price.
Oh, you certainly fucking did.
You just get clean. Get yourself back on track. And go back to Dick. Girls are shit.
That was a fucking mess.
The last time you had your dick sucked?
I don't think you're up to it, brother.
A massage, drop a few oxy, get some head. You need to unwind, man.
Dude, look at you. You look like a serial killer.
You're gonna need to hold my dick while I piss. You're gonna need 2 hands.
I don't know if I want juice about other people right now. Very unhinged without being unhinged. If that makes sense. God damn. Take all of them?
Out in Oaktown, the way I think, it's gonna be brown and yellow against black and white. Now, I know that puts you at odds with Teller and your own speeches.
Jesus Christ, that's the way it's gonna go down?
Give me your heads up right now, that's all.
Damn.
Bro.
I don't know how diplomatic Nero is. And he knows when to stop pushing. Usually. Unless you're gonna go see Tara. Fuck. Alright.
This is all good. This shit! This is the last thing that kings will want to hear.
This is why you need August Marks. Talk to Marks. At least then you got an option to present to Rourke.
Okay.
Good. We'll set it up.
Jax is so annoyed.
I need to casually steal from the hospital I no longer work for. I'll meet you out front in 20 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fuck. Don't be right out there.
Have them eyes to see the bad guys.
Yes, you do. How is Mr. Padilla? Still spreading sunshine with the power of human connection?
Oh, yeah. Duck into the chapel, light a candle.
Maybe you should light too.
Nice move, lady. Good job.
And we make that work.
Not much of a choice. What time?
He says I should take it. I'll be there by 6.
We'll see you then.
Don't want to watch this. You hear me? I don't want to watch this. I'm not okay.
If she doesn't testify, I'll bury her in court. If she tries to run with those boys, the MC will hunt her down and kill her.
Jesus. Are you okay with this? I don't like this, my chest.
You know.
What does it do?
Careful. Lock the door if you're gonna do it. Do anything.
No, I should just stay here again. It's easier.
After your trial, we're gonna figure all this out.
Sorry.
She's so dead.
Make it count, boys. Cheer up. Blow me.
Tara, don't do this. Oh, Jesus.
I'm sure he is.
Yeah, you do seem nice. Don't get murdered. Oh, shit. You have a heart attack? Panic attack? Something, a thunderstorm now?
Miss Marks?
That's the boss.
Whole ambiance has changed.
Piece of shit killer.
Don't worry. It ends well.
Another fucking swerve?
Ahoy!
Oh, it's another swerve! God damn!
I love you guys.
And we love you.
Told Connor it ends well.
Told you it ends well.
What if the old man put a bullet in my head at first sight? Then what?
It's your style, man.
Gonna park the van in front of Lynn's restaurant.
Don't make a statement.
It's good meeting you. All right. See you soon.
I'll let Marks break it down for you. He's on his way.
Okay. Okay.
I don't care how cute they are. It's all furry hats. We take cash or credit.
We're missing an opportunity.
I'm gonna choke one of these little fur balls out right in front of you.
I barely accept that.
Chucky's so fucking weird.
Shit with my crew.
You wanna talk about it?
Help! Please, there's something wrong with Juice.
Oh, right. Totally forgot about Juice.
Next thing I know, he's on the floor.
Juice.
Oh no! We gotta call Tarvis?
Okay, baby, you bite me, I'll rip your tongue out. Come on, here we go.
That'll do. That's gross. Alright, be nice. Jesus. God damn, who's this roided up motherfucker in the back?
Red Cross earthquake kits we hand out to lower income families.
Jesus.
Of course, most of them just got batteries and water. Let them know I'm very serious about being in business with them. And if it helps, my mom's maiden name is McDuffie.
August is hilarious. He thought that was cute. I did too. It was hilarious.
Whatever happens here, you've done your part.
Certainly have.
Traeger's clear.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll let you know what the Kings say.
All right, keep an eye on my money.
They can't come here.
Well, I'm at Diosa. They're at my house with Wayne.
Okay. Hurry, please.
Yep, I'm on my way.
Me, Tara, what are we doing? This can't work! I don't want to see this. I need a break. I need a break. With 15 minutes left, I need a break. I need a break.
Love you.
Love you, Mama.
That's sweet.
No, good.
Let's go. Let's get this over with. Ugh.
That's sweet.
Let's just walk, huh? Walk. Jack said it was what I had to do. I'm on my way. I'm sorry.
Oh, shit.
So sad. Who was? The kid's mom.
Oh, shit.
I want it that way. Davini, you killed her?
Oh, shit.
Jax put that on you?
Jesus. I totally forgot about that. Juice has been through it. The hero's going through it.
Put this one on top.
Fuck! I don't want to see this.
No, I think she's with the pimp.
The pimp.
Baby. I'm here. Mama's here.
Let's get this shit over with.
Tara, she's...
Shut up, Tara!
Protection. Feds.
What does that mean, Tara? Did you make a deal? Let us out, Wayne.
Doing it the other way is only gonna be worse for them.
Move! We ain't got our goddamn day.
Abel, I'm your real mother. Baby, I'm your mommy. Baby, I love you, baby. Shut up.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Jesus. Where'd Abel go? Fucking Wendy. Ugh, I hate Wendy. She's going through it. I get it. I hate Wendy.
Yeah?
Alright. I hope she timed this right. Tara, that is.
I'm glad to hear that.
It's been an interesting road, Jackson. One I'm really looking forward to getting off of.
Safe travels, Con.
Aye.
The fact that you
Let's
made
go.
it is fantastic.
Oh, Jackie boy. You just advanced race relations in Ireland by 50 years.
And that's what happened tonight. I'm so sorry, baby. You know, everything I do, Abel, is for you and Thomas.
Certainly
That's
is.
my job.
Take me high.
Still no answer.
Holy shit. The fuck? Where the fuck is she? Oh, I'm so concerned. God damn. A motel?
When I
saw Patterson at St. Thomas. She must have made a deal.
Oh. Fuck. Alright, that was episode 12, season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. I love Tara. I've told you this before. The character I root for the most to be okay. However, I firmly believe that's out the window now. Like, that's so long gone. I don't know how this goes. I just know it doesn't end well for her. At this point, her best case scenario is probably prison. Sadly. Because look, I like stealing the kids. Listen, my best case scenario would be she gets the fuck over it and realizes she'll never get out of this life of danger. That'd be the one. That's not gonna happen. So, I like stealing the kids and then being a rat. I know, it's not a great fucking person to be, especially you don't want to send their fucking dad to jail. I get that part. But at least then, you'd have what you want, and you'd be in West Bubblefuck somewhere. Right? Or, like I said before, do nothing. But instead, you try to find some middle ground where you take the kids and you don't cooperate. So now you're a fucking fugitive. You've got the fucking Sons and Gemma who think you are a rat. You stole Jack's kids. They're half yours, but only half. The DA's mad at you. This is a terrible idea. This is a horrific idea. You're hiding out some fucking motel? Now listen, I have to believe she has a plan. Because if so, to me, if not rather, to me, this is character assassination on the highest level. We just saw her put together a great plan, which involved a fake miscarriage. That didn't work out. It didn't work, but it was a solid plan. It had like fucking little tears in the chamber. What are you gonna do with that? Yeah, you deal with junkies and fucking old men who love Gemma for some weird reason. You can't account for everything. But at least it was a plan. This feels like the opposite of a plan. This is character assassination. And pretty soon it's gonna be real assassination. She is fucking dead. What was I gonna say? Nero. Poor Juice. He let it slip. It happens. It was weighing on him more than we all thought. I didn't even remember that was an issue. But Nero still fucking was a shoulder to cry on for Jax. That was sweet. That was sweet. I would imagine it's not the last we'll hear of it, though. Eventually, one of them's gonna kill the other. One of you asked me if I like Nero or Jax better. Nero's clearly a better person by a wide margin, but I like Jax more. Number one, no longer, and number two, he's a fucking savage and a strategic genius. It seems like we saw that at the end of season. Which one did they go to Ireland? Are they in Ireland in 3? Yes, because Stahl does in 3. So, ever since season 3, the end of season 3, we've seen he's a strategic genius. And he's continued to put it into practice. And it's worked out to perfection almost every time. It still leaves problems on the board, but what are you going to do? This thing with the Irish, though. We knew he wasn't going to let it go. But he didn't let his emotions get the better of him. Killed quite a few of them. Killed the Chinese. Go ahead, Jax. Go ahead, Jax. I really don't want to watch the next episode. I'm not going to lie to you. I really don't want to. I'm good with pretending that's how the show ends. Jax is getting them out the gun business, or at least it seems that way. And Tara lives happily ever after for family in a fucking seedy motel. I'm cool with this as an idea. Series finale. Great job. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.